So this is for anybody who is planning on taking the physical education K through 12 subject course exam, at least in the state of Florida. I just took it and thankfully I passed. But since I'm so, caught up on it right now, I want to share what my experience has been for your success. So number one, do not think that just because you know about fitness or some physical education or sports that you're going to pass this. The way that the test is formatted or the way that the questions are presented are in a way where you have to know certain term vocabulary and actual applications. So it's not like, what sport has two teams and has 9 individuals in each team and has 7 innings. Like, it's not like that. It's not like that. It's more like if you're a physical education teacher for a second grader and there's 2 people in the class with intellectual disability, out of this statement, what kind of method would work best for, it's kind of like that. So I would highly recommend for you to study. There's a lot of different study brands, but I use specifically 240 tutoring or Tutor 240. And I will give it out of a 10 being like the amazing way that it helped me pass this. I'll give it honestly like an 8, just because, yeah, the questions again on this exam were very different than what I was expecting based off of what I was studying. However, the study guides, the way that it was formatted, the way that the quizzes were presented, the way that the flashcards were presented, the way that the lecture was presented, the way the test, the unlocking of quizzes into test, all of that was actually really helpful. And then also just the way that it taught like subjects, sports, terms, vocabulary, and principles and laws and definitions. It's important to learn all of these things so that when you do get to the exam, you know how to apply all of that information. It might be all together in one statement. And you're reaching from one method to a different type of assessment, into that definition of indirect instruction, into this modality of sport. It's all together. So you need a wholeness of studying to be able to pass this exam. If you have any questions further than this, let me know. I would love to help you, and good luck.